Hi, Cup Oven Bits guys. This is Patrick Lewis. Gonna hash out a private method here live, just to show you what I'm doing. Let's see. So we've got this RSpec here, example group. Okay, it's describing the init state private method of this crate object. And as you can see, this is the crate object here. I'm going to go ahead and run this, clear this out, run this spec, and let's see. I'm going to pause it just a sec. Resume. As you can see, this thing ran just for the sake of time here. Yeah, these two specs actually fail. So let's go back and look at the specs really quick. Describe the init state. Okay. It creates 6 empty baskets. Empty baskets is an attribute of this crate object. Okay, so it creates 6 empty baskets if it's the first crate of the user. Now, I'll go back here. It actually belongs to a user, and we also have a user object here, and this is association has been declared here. It has many crates. So just to give you guys a little backdrop there. So yeah, it creates 6 empty baskets if it's the first crate of the user. Okay. It creates 2 empty baskets if it's not the first crate of the user. Okay, so here we are. We have some basically expectations defined here. So let's go and write the implementation for it. So obviously this is going to be before, and I'll go back to the spec really quick. The context of this example group is before create. So before create, this method should run. So obviously when we go here to the implementation of it, we're going to run the before create filter and run that init state. It is a private method. Here we're going to define init state. Okay. So let's go ahead and instantiate a user object here. We're going to find the user that the crate that's being created. I know that's kind of a tongue twister. We're going to find the user there that's associated with it. So we'll go self dot user ID, which is the default foreign key that's created when you create that belongs to association. So let's see. Okay, so unless user dot crates count is greater than 1. Unless it's greater than 1, we want to go ahead and call self here. Empty baskets. We want to set that equal to 6, right? Going back to the spec. It creates 6 empty baskets if it's the first crate of the user. So crate is actually, yeah, 6. Okay. So go here. And if it's not the first crate, or if it's less than 1, we're going to go ahead and set it equal to 2. That should get it to pass. And go ahead and pause it while it's running really quick. Okay, so this one fails. So expected to got 6 using equals. And this was on the last one. Okay, so gonna do that here. Got it to pass. As you can see, I'll run it one more time here. It runs fairly quick. So Just that simple. Unless the crates count is greater than or equal to 1, actually gets this to pass. Now, let's go back for the sake of readability. I mean, this is a little confusing here. I actually like readable specs of, this is, for me, this is serving somewhat as documentation as well. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this up just a bit really quick. So we'll go context, users first crate. Right, so let's see here. Let's see. Has more than 1 crate. Yeah. Okay, so we can clean this up. This description here. Oh, we need to end it. Let me go ahead and do that first. We can go ahead and clean this up so it reads a little bit better. Plus, we might want to add some more descriptions here within those contexts later on. Go back. Baskets. Wow. Sorry, guys. Alright, so that should actually read a little better even when we're running the spec here. Oh. Syntax error, expecting in, sorry. Let's see, clean this up. Do. There we go. Let's fix it. Nope. Do in context. Context in it. No, another do. There we are. Alright. Yeah. Run this, and everything should be green after this. And there we go. So I just implemented a quick private method, an init state private method that set the empty baskets, contingent on, whether it was the first crate of the user or not. So there's a quick example. Thanks.